This is Dr. Manson Kilgore, doctor's log, January 15th, 2015, for patient 181937, a Marcos Kane. Patient is exhibiting unhealthy desires to be constrained. My recommendation of removal of all ropes and cords from patient access, such as belts, laces, even sheets, has been implemented. Patient does not exhibit violent tendencies, however does request being cuffed and shackled during transport and for treatment. This is a precaution as patient does tend to become manic if not under restraint. Leather straps and steel handcuffs seem to adequately restrain the patient to his comfort. However, shackles have been used to induce the patient into a euphoric-like state. I've placed felt-lined cuffs on order to combat the lacerations and wrist injuries. As noted earlier, patient does become manic if not under restraint. If electrotherapy proves unsuccessful, recommend transferring patient to permanent residency for further treatment and analysis. This is again a precaution, but I do not believe that Mr. Marcos is ready to be released as of this time.
So, can you tell me why you're here today?
I like tie-downs. Are you a doctor?
I am a doctor, of course. You see the coat.
Ooh, daddy. I mean doctor. I see the coat. I want to talk about immediate and advanced level tie-downs.
Let me jot that down, because that's what doctors do.
Yeah, that is what doctor. Okay. Well, do you know about the intermediate tie-downs, spreader bars, door restraints, and hog ties? Yeah? Well, hog ties are the very best tie downs. Makes it a breeze to put your
That's interesting.
you into a hog tie position. That's why it's called hog tie. Oh, then there's the advanced. It's my favorite. They are the most risky and kinkiest tie downs. Oh, because of the bondage rope. Oh my God, they're just smooth, silky, supple nylon. And it's tantalizing to your skin.
Very well, very well.
Or, I mean, you could immobilize your partner any way you choose with these cold, hard, steel handcuffs. You could get the fluffy ones, but how would I know you're a real doctor if you don't use the metal ones? So be a good boy. You obey is the name of this game. A collar and a leash to make my bondage play complete.
Yep.
What was that?
Oh, that was nothing.
I made you twitch. About to make my doctor switch.
Resistance, bondage, resistance, bondage. Handcuffs. You can't keep me in this. They have me in this jacket because it's like a hug. It's like a hug, and if I hug myself, then I stay calm. Can I stay calm? Can I stay calm? I'll let you out of here. What do handcuffs symbolize? Secure for crime. 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 Secure. Protected crime. Protected DSM. Bondage. Sex. Bondage. Oh, you're so done. I'm out of here. You're so done. I'm out of here. What do handcuffs symbolize? What do handcuffs symbolize? What do handcuffs symbolize? Cold, hard reality. Cold, hard reality.
it like to be tied down? Only sometimes.
Don't feel like you're the only one.
Yeah. I don't know.
No need to feel like it's something abnormal.
Must be something wrong with me, I think. I don't
Look,
get it.
I'm here for you, okay? I just want you to know that there's nothing wrong with having those thoughts. Actually, psychologists have done studies that definitely give solid, concrete evidence that practitioners of BDSM and kink versus non-practitioners of BDSM and kink, they're a lot more freer, they're connective, they have healthy communication skills, and a good majority of people who do practice kink have a less likelihood of having an emotional or psychological episode because they are using certain brain receptors when they are exploring those suppressed thoughts and feelings and desires.
I don't want to do this anymore.
No. Stay with me. Stay with
I'm
me.
okay. I'm
You want
fine.
to tell me your story about being tied down or time being
I'm good.
I'm here to help.
I'm still
I
here.
just wanna
I'm with you.
understand. So now, let's move on in your turn. It also says here that you've been expressing and also acting out so you can be punished. You tend to like to lash out physically, so you have to be restrained. Can you tell me a little bit more about your desires and your fantasies about being restrained?
I don't know what it is,
Interested to see your angle.
but I do kind of like tying other people up as well. It's one of my preferred methods. Again, I can't.
Hey, stay with me. Okay? Stay with me. Okay? I'm here to help.
I just can't stay
You're
here
in a
alone.
safe space.
Can't do it.
Just breathe and let go.
Oh my God.
I'm here for you.
Get it. Hey, boy, don't you run. Don't you run now. Get back here. Woohoo. Boy, I got it now. Get in there. I'm about to give you some shock therapy.
Who's afraid of the big black wolf? The big black wolf. Black wolf. Who's afraid of the big black wolf?
What is this supposed to be? Some type of shock therapy? It's like a refreshing shower to me. And the leather cuffs you had me in last night were nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. You really need to put some real strong leather cuffs on me. Real cuffs, not the fake stuff. And also handcuffs. Make sure you use the proper handcuffs. Everything was such a turn on. The leather straps from last night, even though they were weak and I broke out of them. Really, you should use real leather. That's for me.
Who's afraid of the big black wolf? The big black wolf. The big black wolf. Who's afraid